Okay, so here's the sawmill that I bought for the farm. So this video is a little bit of a review of it, and the other part a reminder of how to put it back together after I take it apart. So it's just north of Gracefield that we got it. It's an old Forano wood with good solid carriage. There's the drum down there. Here's the sawdust elevator coming down through under there. There we've got the bevel gear down there. Drives that. Log deck there, that we've got the automatic log deck stuff. There's a drive kit, 48-inch. It's got the belt and the guard. This is held down with chain and brackets there. Got the belt. Now the motor's got its top off, but it can run on PTO. You can see there's all the extra teeth, tools, that type of thing. So we've got another diesel edger planer coming with it, so good bunch of kit. So off to start taking it apart.